Welcome to 407 Ironwoods Drive in the Ironwoods neighborhood of Chapel Hill. This home is 3,200 square feet of almost all first floor living. This house has been impeccably maintained and beautifully and tastefully updated with all new interior paint, refinished hardwood floors, an updated kitchen, primary bathroom, new light fixtures throughout, and more. And like all of my listings, this home has been pre-sale inspected and the repairs have been made. The living on the second floor is an additional bedroom, a full bath, and a bonus room perfect for multi-generational living, an au pair, an art studio, or an office. Ironwoods is centrally located in Chapel Hill, and it is surrounded by hiking and biking trails in Chapel Hill North and Bowling Forest. We are minutes from downtown Chapel Hill, UNC, Carborough, I-40, and 20 minutes to RDU, the International Airport, and Duke. Let's take a look at this beautiful home.